You can't even see him, so don't worry about it. Oh, there he is. This is so cool. Washington State Peninsula, December 15th probably. I think it's Wednesday. This is one of the breeding pair. You can't tell if that's the male or the female. I think that's the female. The males have red streaks on their cheeks.
I just spent so many years learning everything I could.
Okay. Aren't they magnificent? She just chased off the northern flicker.
There's no better place on earth than right here.
I just love them. They look so prehistoric. There's a couple other people, birdies, want to crowd in.
What do you want, Yogi?
Well, I was thinking about the park's prickly predicament.
Oh, here comes the northern flicker's back.
This is all the money I have saved. Almost $100.
She is. Oh, just took off again.
Myself, but I'd rather donate it to Jellystone.
Well, thank you, Yogi. That is very
Now
sweet.
that bird in the back looks an awful lot like a grosbeak on the right, above the heart spinner there. But the beak does not match. Well, maybe. I just don't. I'm just not seeing it right. Thought it had more of a. This one had more of a pointy beak than a grosbeak. Well, could be wrong. I don't have the best eyesight.
It's got a little of everything. Music, stunts, magic. And I jump over poo-poo at the end.
Guys, you need to interrupt.
Such a cool bird.
Or dance, or do anything that might disturb the campus. Hey, what you really want to do is help save this park.
I feel blessed that we can give back to the birds, to the animals a little bit. We've taken so much from them as a human species.
Are you guys done with that stand?
Get out of here.
Okay, see.
It's pretty cool. Maybe the northern flicker will come back. I don't think I put peanut suet out there yet. There's one right here, but the big bird doesn't. Oh my God! Is there both of them there? They're both there. Look! That must be the male.
Yes, exactly. Why didn't I think of that? We could host a big Centennial Festival.
He's a little shy, huh?
Yeah, and even half of the people bought these season passes. The park will make enough money to stay open.
Come on, babe. Oh, he's still back there. Oh. He's just gonna have his meal from the back of the tree, I guess. Stinker. Come on, let's see ya. There he is. I can already tell he has red streaks on his cheeks. And he's bigger. Yep, that's our breeding pair. Aren't they something else? Absolutely awesome. One year, they brought their 3 little fledglings to the feeders. Last year we were blessed to see 1 or 2 youngsters. They have orange tops instead of red tops.
Come celebrate Jellystone's 100th anniversary with
One of the youngsters would,
and receive $10 off a season.
if I didn't have Suet out there, he'd make a racket out there until I came out there with Suet.
Yeah, that's not a very good idea in my opinion. But nobody
This
can
past
stop me,
summer.
so my job is just to maintain the park, which is basically pumping trash on a stick.
Pretty cool.
Yeah. But why is a guy with your talent doing this insulting grunt work? You should be running a park.
Yeah, the Raiders
Look at the red stripes on his cheeks, sorry.
Excuse me? What is to pay his dues?
Yes, you do, mister.
You're gonna be in charge
Now what's as big as a turkey?
of everything.
That's what I've been saying.
Yeah, buddy, if it was up to me, you would be the head ranger of Jellystone.
Very awesome.
You put me in charge?
In a second? Yes! You know, if this Centennial Festival didn't work out, I'd probably...
Quite a lot of activity in my little backyard sanctuary.
You can help me with that. Make sure it doesn't succeed.
Wait, so you mean like sabotage it?
No, oh, no.
Couple wildcats.
Be the big ranger. It just so happens
See,
that
oh, he
the
took
only
off.
way to do that is to bring down
And a
this...
bear or two.
Well, whatever. You can spend the rest of your life as a second in command. if you like.
Cougar,
That's a
bobcat,
perfectly valid life.
raccoons,
Well,
coyote.
give me a call. Okay, here's my...
I saw one deer. Well, I guess that's 2 deers
No.
in 6 years.
15.
Here. They probably come at night. I think they come at night because I noticed all the rosebuds were totally snapped off of my rose plant. Alright, National Geographic stuff.
Are you serious? Just be patient.